Okay.
Okay. We're going to walk back to the asset protection office, okay?
Okay.
So right now you're being on the arrest for retail theft. We're going to follow
I paid for everything.
We're going to follow them,
Really?
okay?
I had to pay for my... Are you kidding me?
Hey, don't play games.
I'm not.
Okay, so we're going to follow them to the asset protection office, okay?
Okay.
Okay, we can...
Can I at least get this paid for so we can take my truck?
Don't worry about that here in a minute, okay?
Okay, so hold it then? Or how does this work?
Did you pay for that yet?
I'm getting it. Okay. My card's locked, I can't get it unlocked, so my friend's taking care of it.
Leave it, we'll take care of this.
Alright, perfect.
I'll see you in a minute, I guess, or...
Yeah.
Yep.
Why is he coming to?
Hey, don't worry about it, don't be mouthy.
Oh, I'm more than mad. Because I have receipts for everything.
That's perfectly fine.
Yeah, I don't need it either.
Okay, so you go through your receipts.
Oh, mine's expired, but I got one on here.
It's okay.
You got your receipt for the transaction?
Which one? I did a couple. I have several receipts.
We also
right
need
here.
the receipt you grabbed off at the register. You walked
Oh,
up
that's
to
fine.
and your
I just grabbed that for fetch. Because I use the fetch points. 1 second. That's not it.
Nathan,
Here's
did you drive here?
No.
Did you drive here?
Yep.
Okay.
Okay, there's stuff in there that's ours.
Okay, and where? What is in my purse?
The perfume.
That's my from Bath and Body Works, so please look again.
Yeah, I mean, come on, we don't steal shit. We
It's
really
from
don't.
Bath and Body Works. You don't
You
even
have the
sell.
receipt for this stuff.
Yes.
That's what I'm trying to
I mean,
get.
goddamn,
Right
I've never
here.
been caught for stealing a thing in my life.
Oh, this was what the one I took off for the fetch points. Those records I pulled off the register. That was this one. Okay. There you go. Then I got. These are these. Okay. These. This does not belong here.
Shoes and
This
the
is this.
We was just paying for the dog
I was
food, the
paying
oil
for the dog
change,
for the oil
and
change, the
fucking
candles, and then there was other stuff.
This is the time we stopped her before 8 months ago.
What about your
I
car?
have 3
Whatever.
of those
I'm good.
actually, and there should be 3
This is
scans.
what was tag switched. Very obviously.
Yeah, I'll admit that.
So that's stealing. So you can say I didn't steal all you want, but you
Okay,
stole.
no, I didn't. One, I wasn't gonna say that I didn't do that, but he had no part of it. He didn't even know what was going on.
He was with you the entire time.
No, he wasn't. That last half you can watch. He walked back to
I
the
was watching
automotive.
the entire time.
Good.
All right,
You then he
ma'am.
went back to the automotive.
Ma'am, what's your first name?
Abby McCollum.
Abby, please stand up and come over here, please.
Okay.
Sarah, put your hands behind your back. You're under arrest for retail theft.
Okay. But really, he had nothing. He had no idea I was even doing it. I promise. Not that my promise means anything, but it doesn't.
This way doesn't tighten up on you.
Yep.
Anything else on your person that's going to hurt me, poke me, stick me?
I really don't think so. No, I think I'm good.
Okay.
Hey, can you put my wallet and stuff in the back? You know. Oh, that one I honestly truly did forget. Sorry. I got those all right.
You got 11 out of 14.
Okay, I'm sorry. I apologize. I really didn't. I scanned my brush. I scanned those.
Is that your Dodge truck out there, sir?
Yeah, it's mine.
Okay. I'll make sure.
I just walked.
Yes, we just got it. Literally a day ago. Or actually, no, later today. This was last night. And we're gonna be able to get the plates in tomorrow.
Why are we tax switching today? And not paying for everything?
I honestly, some of this stuff I really did forget. I really didn't mean to take. I will be 100%. The tax switch stuff I honestly did do.
Okay.
And I'm sorry for it, but I
Do
did.
we have the money to pay for everything?
Yeah, I can take care of it. I was trying to pay for it whenever you told me to worry about it later.
We weren't
No, I know
because we
that,
were
the rest of that
tax switching.
stuff, but the other stuff, I do, I can pay for it.
So-
if you'd like me to pay for it, I'll pay for it right now.
I'm just curious. You have cash or credit cards to pay
I have
for?
my card.
Card.
Well, Nate has my cards.
Okay. But why tax switch? Is it a fix? Is it a...
It was, honestly, I wanted to get a couple of things I needed. I shouldn't have. I was wrong anyway. Shouldn't
Or were you tax switching? I'm
just some
curious.
little stuff that I shouldn't have even. That was stupid to do. 110%. Wasn't worth this at all. But before you try to say I was stealing a felony amount, can you please double check back there with
Good,
what
unless
they
you
were
just wanna hang
scanning?
out.
I'm gonna go eat my food.
Did I say anything about that?
Thank you.
No, I'm just saying if you charge me with a felony, like, It was
Oh,
that there was
I-
stuff being scanned back there because that was $156. I had 100 of it paid already, and then the stuff got stopped. The perfume and stuff in there is my Bath and Body Works. That was truly not a mistake. I meant to pay for that one,
That's the part we saw.
but that was truly like I didn't mean to.
That's ours.
I meant to pay for it. Truly.
I gotta get a picture of you first this time.
I tax switched. I paid for some of it, right?
They're only going to charge you for the things you did not pay for and the things you tax switched.
Okay, thank you. That's what I need to know.
Yes, ma'am.
I appreciate it.
598.
Have you ever been convicted of a retail theft before?
I was putting those back, and I bought a second of those receivers.
Hey,
If you wanna
Abby,
look.
have you ever been convicted of a retail theft
No.
before? No.
Wait. My job tried to say that I took 20 out of. Actually, no, because they charged me for my own money. So yeah, and I was put in Williamson with my own money.
Not arrested, but like you went to court and they said, yes, you're guilty of retail theft.
No. It was dropped.
Will you do a CQH for me,
I
please?
don't believe so. It'd be Williamson. No, it'd be.
On
Fort
Abby,
Lux.
if there's any convictions for retail theft, please
It would be up north. It'd be where I know is.
just shoot me a text message.
Alright, I'm gonna let you know that I'm signing this for you because you're handcuffed. You are formally trespassed from all Walmart-owned property. That includes Sam's Club, that includes Murphy's Oil, that includes all Walmarts in the world. So you can't go to Carbondale and start shopping. If
Okay.
you get caught stealing in Carbondale, you're gonna get charged burglary.
Okay.
So you are indefinitely charged.
Okay. That's fine. Can somebody talk to me like really about business, like just about it real quick? Because I paid for 100 of that stuff, and I'm trying to see what's qualified and how that works then.
What's that?
I paid for 100 of the stuff back. Okay, so it was 153 back at the automotive counter of the stuff I was trying to pay for, which would be like oil change, would be the dog food, would be the candles, would be, you know what I mean, that stuff. And there was a Sally's plaque and something
You guys
else.
have, is it a misdemeanor?
And
Okay, alright. Your other stuff that you paid for, we'll just give it back to Nathan. That way he can have it. That way he can put the truck, okay?
okay, perfect. But the 100 was taken off at the register, and I owed $53 still on that balance. And that's when he told me, he said, don't take it, don't worry about taking care of it. No, Nathan, I guarantee did not do that. And I don't want him to not.
Look,
Just said that you did.
He took care of the over there. I didn't hear Nathan talk, I'm sorry.
all the stuff on the counter?
Yeah.
I said they'd take care of it later.
Yeah, that's what I was trying to take care of. Because
Alright.
you took $100 off my card already, and I'm trying to pay the remaining amount.
Okay.
If I need to send Nathan in to pay it, I just need to know that. And
Well, we're
someone
gonna go
tell
talk to
him.
Nathan, because I'm gonna have him come back and get all your property, okay?
Perfect.
Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and hop up and we're gonna skedaddle on our way.
Okay, so you're gonna pay for the candles and the dog food.
Candles, dog food. There was another bag.
There's
of
other stuff
plaque-
that's over there.
Okay, yeah, that too.
So we need to put it back in the cart.
And then yeah. And honestly, if you just the dog food, candles and dog food, then it should be paid for because that's
I'll have
$100.
Nathan come over here and get that taken care of, okay? We gotta walk
You
that
have
way.
authorization. Do you?
Yeah, I parked over there, so we're gonna walk a long way.
Really? Can I pull these out? It's over my handcuffs.
Can I do what?
Can I pull these out? Can I at least be handcuffed in the front?
I can't, I gotta keep
Can I?
it back.
Okay. Can I at least pull these down over it?
Where your sleeve down? Okay,
Yeah.
that's
Thank
fine.
you. Because I
Okay,
need.
so I'm bringing the cart over there.
Or I was gonna have Nathan come over here, that way he doesn't have to push all of it.
You don't need to come here to your room.
Say, whatever you want.
We'll just come over there.
Okay, cool.
Thank you.
Right on this way, please.
Okay. Can I talk to Nate? I don't know where he is. Excuse me. Can you get my hair out of my eye? It's right there in this eye. It's just. Can you wipe my forehead? Are you allowed to touch me? I have no diseases. Thank you.
Put them on this side.
He has my phone with everything in it. Can you call him by chance and have him bring me my phone?